what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, hey, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Hopefully you'll stay a while, watch some more content, and subscribe before you go. But today we are going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. Very minimal leave out, and it's blended to perfection. Okay, so let's get into it. Hey y'all, so this wig that we trying out today was sent over to me from Beautyytb Hair, and they gave me the wig, of course, a wig cap, and then this little bag of goodies which had clips in it, which I do not have, so I was excited about that. And they gave a like satin kind of like scarf, and you can never have too many of those, okay? But yeah, this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. This is the 24-inch Bodywave Vpart wig, and this is just what like the wig looks like up close. It has like this netting slash like lace type of thing going on, which really, that's what really helps to make it look nice and blended. It has the clippable combs around the perimeter, where like the parting area would be, and then the combs on the side, the comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it has like a clippable comb in that back area, which, you know, I wouldn't use. But yeah, one more close look at what like it looks like up close around like where you will put this at the parting area. Okay, so this is how I have my what's the name, because I'm going to do like leave out. So this is like the braids around it, and this is the leave out that I'm going to do. Now I'm gonna have to really figure this out, because this is the texture of the wig, which is really kind of like silky, and it doesn't match my texture, but I still want to keep like this loose wave in it. So I think I'm gonna throw a couple of wand curls in it, but I'm gonna put them, like beyond like the point of my hair. You'll see. This is once again the construction of the wig. Got my flat iron on. Oh crap, I left my heat protectant. Well, YOLO baby, don't do that though. I decided to go with a side part because I did a middle part last time. I'm literally gonna take the combs, boop, like so, clip her down, boop, like so, clip her down. And then same thing on the other side. You feel me? Open that up, hold it down, clip it in, bang. Open that up, clip it in, bang. Okay. So we got that on. Yes, I think I'm gonna like this side part. Now I gotta blend my hair, which is kinky type 4 hair, with this silky hair, and I don't have no oil because I'm rushing. I didn't even bring a comb, girl. How the hell am I supposed to part my hair? Tell me that. Luckily I have this edge brush that got a comb on it, but I completely forgot to bring a comb. When I tell you my hair done messed around and blend it with this hair. I am shook. It's giving, oh my God, I can't believe it. Now imagine a kinky curly texture. Bomb. Okay, so now I'm about to like try to like do a little wand curl situation, just like for some of the pieces to make it like more together. I'm gonna plug this up and I'm gonna do literally like just a couple of wand curls, but honey, it's giving blended. Girls that say honey, like Tiara Marie, it flows so effortlessly. I'm not a honey kind of girl. I'm a girl kind of girl, like girl, not like honey. But it sounds so cute. Honey. This hair is really pretty though. Like, can we just get into it? Can we just get into the waves? So this piece, we're just gonna do a do, 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 do. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let it go. Breathe, stretch, shake. Breathe, stretch, shake, let it go. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe, stretch, shake, let it go. Okay. Boom. Breathe, stretch, shake, let it go. All right. See, just a little something, something. And we're going to do this side. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe, shake, shake. Let it go. Got you. Boom, 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 boom. Breathe, stretch, shake. Let it go. All right. That should be good enough. That should be good enough. We just needed some ones in the front, really. It's giving what it supposed to have gave. Let's go. Oh yes, give me my Beyonce moment. Hold up. Beyonce don't be having hair stuck to her lipstick. Give me my Beyonce moment. Give me my Beyonce moment. Blow in the wind. Okay, so get into the beautiful wave. It's definitely giving. This was really quick and really easy. Like when I say 2 minutes, like literally, well, if you already have your braid pattern and like your leave out parted out and all of that stuff, like this could be super quick and super simple. Like the application for this wig was really, really quick, and I'm very surprised to see that my hair blended really, really well with this texture, even though like my hair is type 4 and this is like some real live, like silky straight kind of, well, silky body wave type of hair. Like my hair blended really good with this, so love that for me. And this time I chose to do leave out because the last time I did like the no leave out method, so this time I did leave out. I probably have like this thick of a part of leave out, as you saw, and like it was real quick to like straighten it out and then blend it. It just was really quick. This was really, really, really easy. And it's very secure on my head. Like it feels like it's not going nowhere. And I just love the side part. Like it's just like, I think side part might be my new middle part. Like the side part may be my new favorite. I love how the side part looks. If I didn't say already, like this hair quality is really good too. Like this hair feels really nice and really soft. Yeah, y'all, it's not really much else to say about this wig. Once again, thanks to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave all of the links down in the description box for you to check them out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, and whatever it may be. Bye.